Alright, I went ahead and unboxed the M.2 drive. This thing is tiny. It's a NVMe SSD made by Samsung, and it's a 960 EVO. So I think I figured out what that little tiny screw was that came in the motherboard box that holds this down. And it appears to me this is the connector on the motherboard right here. So it appears to me that this just simply plugs in slid right in the port, and then it looks like it just bends down, and then you have to install this impossible screw that's not easy with shaky hands. So let's see if I can get this in here. Of course not. Alright, hang on, I dropped the screw. Alright, let's try this again. So far, I'm not having much luck. That's impossible. I don't know why they can't give you a bigger screw. Alright, I'll get it. I think I got it in the hole. And we're in. All right. That's amazing. That thing's so small. All right. So that's that. Got the CPU, the cooler, the memory, the M.2 hard drive, and that's basically all I need before we install can you believe this is raining again? Before we install the motherboard into the case. So take a break here. I'm gonna clean up my mess. You end up with a lot of extra parts and manuals, and I do need that. Screws and brackets and all kinds of good stuff. So I'm going to research real quick the right fan header for the CPU fan. We'll go ahead and plug that up now, and then I'll come back to you when I'm ready to install the board into the case.